This is the current state of this apartment, and stay tuned because you're going to see how we transform it from a old apartment looking very dated to a modern day studio.
Yeah, man. All right, guys, so this apartment was built probably around, well, more than 20 years ago. All right, and based on what you're seeing clearly, no one was living there for a few years. All right, you can see with this furniture really old, the apartment dusty, everything just outdated with the apartment.
All right, so as you can see, the tiles on the floor badly needs to change. 3 different tiles, outdated, chippies, and let's get rid of them.
Yeah, man. Right? The cupboard, guys, as you can see, you know, really old-fashioned. You know, so we want, you know, it's 2024 now, yeah. Right? So we really want some nice-looking cupboards,
something
right?
I like the space.
Yeah,
and
man.
The countertop, definitely no stone.
Yeah, you need to go. It's like a laminated countertop. Yeah. We don't really like that. Had to go. The bathroom, that probably looked good 30 years ago, you know, but in today 2024, it definitely needed a facelift. The tiles on the walls, as you can see, are some little squares. You know, those were good back then, but no, nah.
The bathtub definitely needed to go as well. Replacing that, you're gonna see what we did with that, right? And also the vanity and the face basin. So the vanity is all in one with a shelf part extended out, but what we realized was that it was actually cut for some reason.
Yeah.
And then it was just not reusable.
Yeah.
In our opinion, it really needed to go as well.
The ceiling, some outdated fixtures. Overall, just stay tuned, guys. You're gonna see all of that, all right?
Yeah, the chandelier, though it was a chandelier, it was too low for that low ceiling.
For the space.
The ceiling is low and the chandelier is hanging down. It's basically hitting Adrian upside his head by the time he passes. So we basically sourced our tiles, we sourced our cupboards. Now it's time to get the ball going. See a clear glimpse of what we can do with our budget, and then we told the homeowner basically what was our idea, what was our plot, what was our plan, and we start going.
Yeah, man. So at this point now, I brought in the workmen, all right, and then immediately they started ripping the place down. The floors were completely removed, the cupboards were completely ripped, the bathroom complete,
gutted.
Right? Gutted. You see me I say?
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room.
Wow. Zone look away, you know? I know the truck man not come yet. Right, you have to call him back. Because this place is really tight, you can't function. Can't function in here, but yeah, I guess how this so far, the tub come out. Side tub. Boy, that's a war zone. Down a Gaza. Lord God. Alright, that's a circle up.
Yeah, man.
Oh. So probably underneath this, you just dig it more and check it out.
No, man, if me dig it, you now go find nothing because I just add water because I see
water. Fresh water.
Yeah, man.
So it go down there. It get behind you so and settle. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Alright, so hopefully that rectified. So downstairs, the resident, just below us saying some dripping upon them ceiling, you know, so we there try find the issue, but we're not sure. So the one over here, so water there get behind the tub in a second, so that was the problem. Boy, Chuckman really a whole of proceedings, cause from morning we call him. Right now we get late in the day and mash up. See the place tight, you know? Cause them apartment here and I like it's a yard where you can put things in a yard.
Put a store in a yard,
no, so you can't put nothing down outside.
Nothing at all, because that's even material.
Nothing at all can up on the ground. Everything have to come in your place.
If I even want to carry some material and go do some work up there, everything have to come up same time. Same time. No, that's cheap up there.
Yeah, it's strict. Yeah.
Pascal, when the paper yesterday, man, I said, I'm asking him to read this, please, sir.
You don't want to get another fee out. You want to make sure say, you know, say, boy, and the rule was set.
Yes. And then now, after you give that to read, go back on his phone.
Yeah.
When the lady now, they send one message to him, stating everything will take place.
Yeah, yes. Alright, so this truck man, he might hold way up, because the man them can't work at evening. So, we have to go, I figure out something. Clear up the place so we can get moving with the work. Hey guys, morning time again, you know, so now I'm providing a progress update. Finally the workman them they coming in. Not the workman them, the truck man did come. I can remember when I say that they kind of give you a little issue, so them finally come in and could have clear up, so then the workman them could have started lay some tile yesterday, you know, so I hear so we reach right now. You get me? Yeah, so you start this section. It's like what you call a master row right there, so when we remove the cupboard, them all of the debris gone, so the place look nice. You know. It's a small apartment though. No, it's a small apartment, small intimate, you know. And so the place clear, can see away. Can definitely see away from right here, so. Alright, so after all demolition completed, now we finally can start the tiling work.
Yeah.
Alright. Immediately when the guys laying out the tile, we say, yeah man, it's a good choice to make considering the budget that we had.
Yeah.
You know? It look good, you know, and definitely it's already. Alright, take care man. Cool. Yeah. Yeah man, a few subscribers driving past, you know. So yeah, so immediately now the place already looking up. Alright guys, so right now I'm at home and things. I'm gonna get the shower, the drain for the shower. Yeah man, so we need a shower drain in order for the floor to be, so we can cast the floor and then of course to the tiling, you know. So that needs to go in immediately. I know I'd seen some in here while we were doing our construction. Hello, good morning. Quick question. Afternoon. Hey, question. I thought me ask you, you know. Me? Yeah. Why is so surprised like me can ask you something?
No, children are
Who?
Interesting here. Oh.
Are you? Me turn, me never ever see her, you know. When you respond to her, me hear her voice, you know. But more I want shower drain. Where are the shower drains? Oh, okay. Them need there right there before they move them. Okay. Alright, so there are some. You have the one I can say she want black. You have like all this now. Where are they? Them are expensive, man. 20 and 15,000. But you have these over here, a lot more affordable. Like 5,000 odd for that one here. Even though cast one black. But the price difference is significant. Yeah, I'm not sure how I go on. Alright, look. Yeah, see that one here? 5 something. This not bad. See that one here? But the black one is at 21,000. Mm-hmm. We can get nice fixtures. We can get nice fixtures in a chrome or the stainless steel finish. What would make the bathroom look good same way.
So this is just a glimpse into the bathroom. So we're gonna have this being the accent wall in the bathroom and this being on the side. We put them out already. A long way you put them? Not side, a long way. This is the bathroom so far. And the blue paint on the wall, those tags will be removed, so to the hanger right here, and so to that toilet paper will all be removed. This is the bathroom so far. The tile will be clean so it won't look like that when it's done. the mirror, the receptacle right here is to be changed. I suggest that we don't put this receptacle there, another one like this, but put actually a light fixture right there, which will carry off the bathroom a lot more. A mirror is going to be directly below it. So this is the old mirror.
This is old now.
Yes. We're going to be replacing it. See the toilet, and Adrian spoke to you about the toilet already.
I'll go on one more time, guys. So we're there. So I came out here this morning. The electrician gonna be meeting me in a second or two. He's pulling up. Alright, so the electrician's coming up. He's gonna be changing all the receptacles, all the switches. He's gonna be servicing the breaker as well. Also installing the electrical water heater. So he'll be doing a lot. You know, while I was here sitting in the car waiting for him, I actually got a very good phone call. You get me? I say the cupboard people, the cabinet people, them call me saying that they want to come deliver the cabinet. So I'm really excited about that. Cass will be happy as well. You get me? I say, because actually this morning she was she's gonna go out to collect the sinks, the faucets, stuff like that, because the homeowners, they are purchasing those. You get me? I say, so everything kind of come in at the right time. You get me? I say, so everything's looking up. We're looking to finish, say, within the next week or so. No change. It's the same as the last time.
However, you just want the changes in terms of from the regular Eagle switch to a
decor switch, yeah.
Alright, cool, no problem. As I said, still is a little bit more in terms of the cost.
Right.
Right, so that variation you would know in a short while.
Yeah.
Again, you said that you want to put the new fixture?
Yeah, like a surface mounted light, something more flatter against the ceiling.
However, you still want us to blank that up.
Yeah.
And change the remainder of the fixtures, right?
Right.
So the water heater circuit?
Here.
I think it's this one. No?
You have one there and you have one right here. So.
Okay. Right. So and then so
you can probably put the water heater under the sink. Yeah.
So we'll go ahead make the adjustments based on what you suggested.
Yes.
And you said that you're going to get a fixture for the bathroom house, right?
Yeah, fixture for the bathroom and one for out here.
Alright. So
right there.
So in total, we'll make the adjustments for the amount of lights.
Alright, so plumbing stuff. The shower enclosure, we're gonna get it here. The sink and so on will be gotten at Jamaica Plumbing Supplies. I think home and things have some of the stuff them as well. But when we get everything, you're gonna see what's what. Alright, so this is the enclosure that we're working with. Alright. This is the 4 feet glass one. Oh, this red dot, you know. Lord Jesus, it's probably sold out, you know. It's sold out, so we'll probably have to work with that one here. Wow. And that with them places, you know, you have to move fast because you come one day and you think them in stock and you go away and come back and them sell out. So, chances are this sold out now. I'm going to see what I go on still. Alright. Lighting and decor section. Yeah, kind of. Oh, yeah. You need probably something a little more powerful than this one. Because it's one switch alone in the entire bathroom. One receptacle alone in the bathroom. Yeah. Well, kind of go with. So what other black fixtures you have? Or something like?
Something like this.
Yes.
Black effect.
Alright. Let me see how those look. Then they kind of underwhelming.
This is the one that says on the display that you
Yes. It's right here, so you show me. But the price different.
No man, not that one. The other one.
She just showing the back.
This one, that one.
Yes.
And then
and the two surface mounted lights. Our cupboards, them are rolling in now. You know, elevators here. So I install a cupboard and thing and now. Alright. The sinks for the bathroom and the kitchen, they took those. So they're gonna be giving those to their fabricator. That's the guys that do them countertops. And to incorporate the sink in the work. So we're the power way. So this old toilet here, well, I'll get rid of this. Throw that out. Put the shower enclosure there, you guys are gonna see it. Alright, this section now, we're gonna have to replace this door and get a door for this area here built. Yep. So we're on our way. So electrical work I go on there. Right, see, I'm kind of stripped down. All of these are gonna be replaced. See there? All of these will be replaced. So all fixtures will be replaced with brand new stuff. Get the place looking lovely, you know? Yeah. So you see one wall lamp I go up right there, so. One wall lamp going up right here. We have a wall fixtures with switches to be replaced. So everything are going good. You know, I'm feeling good. Timeline wise, quick process. Yeah, so everything is going good, guys. So just stay tuned, alright? Yeah. Alright, so we got the decor switches. Right, I'm one of the thing look good, you know. We could have got cheaper to the regular Eagle switch, but I say we could have do the decor. These are nicer. And these are the plugs.
Yeah.
Alright.
So plugs and switches.
Yeah, man.
And these are the plugs. Yeah, so then the receptacles for the replacement of that.
VFCI covers.
These are there for the 40 and cooker switch.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, that's talking about.
Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something else me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow.
The cabinet guys, so they're showing us the hardware. Look like a brush nickel, that one.
It is a brush nickel.
Yeah, you look nice.
It is?
Yeah, you look, man. Look like a hit, man. Yes, it is. It is. You look nice. That's the
Either
hardware.
way, it really looks very similar to what?
Yeah. So all the hardware, like the hinges plus the handles, they're here. All right. The progress, right? We're on our way. What's up? Hi, where's the shower enclosures? Okay. Alright guys, so I know that H&L Rapid True Valley have an online inventory. So when I went online and looked for it, this was the price. See there? This was the price for this. So of course I came in office now to look for it. I realized the price here is this. So what happened is we have to actually confirm the purchase online so that we can get this price and not this price. So just a little hack, you know? Just a little hack. Alright, so at this point now we're doing the fine tuning of everything. You know, electricians are in again. They are, you know, completing the wiring. They're doing all the little knacks. I don't know if you can see the cupboard guys, them coming into, them do them thing, you know?
That's the next level, you know, man. When everything else was done, and the cupboard coming and the countertop put in, the place just look pretty.
Look nice, man. Yeah,
the place looked so nice. And then the windows were also painted because we wanted to ensure that we wanted to give it a new look, a new feel.
Yep.
That's the idea. That's what we were working with. And I think that we did a good job. And we tried our best to make the space, we tried our best to put our ideas together to make the space more livable because it's a small studio apartment. So therefore, the closet situation was very important as well because that's going to make the space livable. And that, you know, it breeds function and modern living, you know?
Yep. Guys, so now we are at the end of the construction process. You see me? I say, so now we're gonna be showing you the big reveal. All right, so see it here. Yeah, man, see it here, guys.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow.
Hey guys, so what do you think? This is the final look for the apartment. So we're working with a very limited budget. And with that, we've totally done a renovation of the kitchen. So the kitchen is completely new, completely redone, new cupboards. I love the grays. Backsplash, countertops. Now if you remember the original countertops, this is a big upgrade. All right, a big upgrade.
It wasn't stone before, it was like what do you call that, a formica?
Like a laminated thing. I don't know what it's called, guys. That's why I said king. So if you don't know, you can't type it. The cupboards are also very new. I love the color. We tried our best. We went through so much. Renovating, guys, can be a little bit tedious, but the results at the end of the day can be marvelous. We love the results. This is a small studio apartment. Let's emphasize that, a small studio apartment. And with this size kitchen, I like it.
The stove will be right there.
This is the stove setting. This is it's completely outfitted for electrical stove. We got the electrical aspect of this apartment completely redone. So everything is working in tip-top condition.
Yes.
And we changed the water heater.
Yes.
The kitchen, the water heater, the bathroom.
So before it was this big tank broiler that was inside a cabinet right here. We got rid of that. We changed this into a pantry.
Yeah.
Right. It's not ready to store food just yet, but we changed this into a pantry. We got one of those much smaller electrical water heaters, and we put it underneath the sink. So we're utilizing the space that much better. We upgraded the electrical work, as Cass said. We made the electrical wiring more robust to take, more modern appliances. All right, so Cass will show you all the living room. Sorry, the bedroom / living room / yeah.
Well, Patroen said it's a studio apartment, so it's all in one. So basically, we're standing in the living room area right here. A lot, even though it is so small, I want you guys to always say, use your imagination. A lot can happen right here, right? That can uplift the space. And then we're moving into the deeper parts of this studio apartment, and I propose the bed furniture will be in this section. One of the things that we did for this small studio apartment, when we came in, there were already furniture here. There was a bed, there was chest of drawer and dresser, and the place just looked tiny.
Yeah.
Right? What we decided to do is to eliminate some of the drawer space from out of this living area and put it into the closet. So you're going to see what I'm talking about later. We updated the light fixture. As you can see, tada, we also did some work on the AC. Making it look a lot more appealing to the eyes.
The colors on the walls.
The colors of the walls. You realize the color of the wall is different as well. We changed it. This is the blue that I wanted. Perfect.
Yeah, cherry blue is what it's called. So who might want to know? Berger, cherry blue is the name. So you can, if you want to match, that's the color.
Easy one to tell you. I just circled it. You got it. Okay. So as you can see, we updated the switches in this apartment as well. Now I was talking about, I'm going to leave the bathroom for last. I was talking about the closet area. So we did a lot with the closet area.
About the door first.
So you might be saying, Cass, Adrian, why never change the door here? Well, remember we have a very tight budget. So this is one of the items that was basically, opted that they opted to keep. Temporarily at least because of the tight budget. So this is the closet area. The closet area has two small details. So we have a deeper closet right here, and we put a door here. This door is the space here was so unique, we had to get a custom door to fit in this space. So this is a custom door for this closet area. This is going to be a storage area, and this is going to be where ultimately clothing is hung, and where we utilize the drawers right here. Instead of having a chest of drawers outside, we have it now built in to the closet. So this is a built-in, all right?
So we're gonna have a telling about.
So up here, you'd have the hanging bar to hang your clothes within the closet, all right? And of course, a lot of other modifications can be done to utilize other areas of this small space to accommodate more for permanent living, and for short-term living is perfectly fine, or short-term rental. So let's go into the bathroom. The bathroom was also completely redone.
You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out.
Come on in. Doors were painted. We added light fixtures right there. We changed also the vanity. So the vanity is now white, We have the same countertop following through in the bathroom.
This can be taken off, by the way, guys.
Yes, it can be taken off.
All right.
Yes, so it's brand new. Leave that for later. We went with a vessel sink. And again, if it was left up to me, listen, the people that would tell me about them budget here, because if it was left up to me, I would have gotten a lot nicer faucets. But again, we have to work within the budget that we're given. So this is it for now, and it looks fine. But with a different faucet, bossy, carry it off, right? And a little flower right there, nice. Toilets, we also changed out the toilet as well in this area, new plumbing and everything for this. And look at the shower now. I want you to look at the before picture and the after picture of the shower. Nice. We went for black and white, so we have white sides and we have an accent wall which is black and white. So all the hangings, the faucets, everything we went with brushed nickel. So
we changed all of these.
Yes.
All right.
We also tiled the patio area right here, and we painted the grills. So it gives it a nice new look, feel and finish, and we painted the ceiling as well.
So, this is the finished product, all right? Completely redone kitchen, tiling, completely redone. So let us know what you think in the comments, all right? Yeah, man, a renovation like this can take around 3 weeks, when you subtract holidays and stuff like that. Roughly 3 weeks, you can get a renovation done like this, if everything is going according to plan, all right? And of course, during construction, there are some unforeseen circumstances that might prevent some, things being done in a timely manner. But nonetheless, tell us what you think, guys, in the comments. All right. So, the Delprat from the renovations. We never get a name yet, But
trust me, I think that we did pretty well. Looking at it now, this is a brand new space, a brand new apartment, and for it to be done on a very small budget.
Yeah, man.
Who knows?
Yeah, so I mean, if you don't have any similar projects in mind and you want to reach out to it, you can shoot us a DM on Instagram or email thedelpratfamily@gmail.com. Alright guys, also become a channel member. Alright? Yeah man, become a channel member. You can drop the super sticker them right there. You get me? I say let us know how you feel about this. Yeah man.
Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the post notification bell and put the setting on all. And if you have not been seeing our videos popping up on your timeline, because we post every week, that means that something is wrong. So check the post notification status on our channel on your phone, your device, ensure it is on all, or you can click off and on again on the frequency so that you can get our notifications. And come look through now. If you're the silly, think boy, come on. Come and type in our name, search for us in the search bar, alright? Give us a thumbs up. Bye guys. Peace.